Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about what is insurance. Today we are going to be talking about, well, what is insurance? Okay? So, have you ever one day gotten into some accident? Just let's say, for example, you might have heard the word insurance before, but have you actually ever wondered what it is? You might have heard it a couple times here and then, maybe from your parents, maybe after you visit a doctor or something, or engineer for payment and stuff. You could say someone says insurance or whatever, but do you actually know what it is? Well, today we're going to be talking about what it is and the basic gists of what insurance is. So let's say you get hit by a bicycle or whatever, right? You get injured and you're sent to the hospital, right? Hurt very badly. You're in the hospital. Yeah, they have to do some surgery or whatever. You check the bills and oh my God, it's expensive. What are you gonna do? Okay? So what are you going to do with all this prices? It's too expensive. Don't worry, insurance to the rescue. But what is it actually? So let's say for another example, you're cycling, right? And let's say there's a nail in the road. You accidentally go over the nail and your tire is punctured. So you decide to go to the mechanist workshop to fix it. You walk to the mechanist and say, hey, I need my tire fixed, right? But the mechanic says, oh, it's too expensive for fixing. Sorry about that. And he shows you the bill, and you see that you can't pay for that much, okay? So you call your mom, right? Or dad or whatever, right? And you ask them for help, but they say, don't you have a piggy bank or a bank account? And you say, I can't pay for that much. It's too expensive. Then don't worry, your mom or dad or parent, right, says, okay, fine, I'll pay the rest of it. Okay? That's kind of how insurance works. So whatever something happens, for example, this example ago, right? You get hit by something, right? And or what something happens to whatever or whenever, right? But previously before that, you'd go on some insurance websites and you can buy and go to various insurance companies, which then you can buy insurance policies. And these policies state that it's basically sort of a rent thing, okay? You pay up a little, okay? Like a subscription, kind of. You pay them a little amount of money, and they say, we got your back if anything happens. And the amazing part about insurances is that the thing is, okay, they can not only pay for big damages, right? So, like, getting your car hit, to even small fees, right? Just for everyday something happens, whatever. The main moral of what insurance is just in case if things don't go to plan, insurance is here to help. Okay? That's why insurance is so helpful. And that's basically what insurance is. That's basically it. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.